Most people know that Edgar Rice Burroughs created Tarzan, but how about A Princess of Mars? If you've seen or heard of the movie John Carter, then you're at least familiar with it. Originally published in book form in 1917, but serialized way before that in 1912 in the All Story magazine under the title Under the Moons of Mars, All Story's title, not Burroughs's. A Princess of Mars is the story of an ex-Confederate officer who, while searching for gold in the hills of Arizona, accidentally finds himself on Mars. Of course, to the Martians, Mars is not called Mars at all, but rather Barsoom. And Carter, when he ends up there, is captured by the Tharks, a race of Barsoomians. Olive-skinned giants who have 2 arms, 2 legs, and a middle pair of limbs that can be used as arms or legs. He also learns he has superhuman abilities. While captive, Carter meets and falls in love with Dejah Thoris, a red-skinned human-like princess of Helium, a science-loving city. While there's plenty of action and adventure, the interplanetary romance between Dejah Thoris and John Carter is the story's core, and is what makes the novel stand apart from its movie counterpart. After Edgar Rice Burroughs published A Princess of Mars, he published 9 more Barsoom books in his lifetime. While I haven't read them yet, I have enjoyed this book so much that if I ever get a chance to read them, I will. I highly recommend this book to anyone who's a science fiction fan, Tarzan fan, or to anyone who just wants a great read. You won't be disappointed. Well, until next time, take care and stay cool.